Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Today in this video, I'll show you the pattern for this Sunflower Mini Doily. I'm using a 4-ply yarn and I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. Start with the magic circle. And chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now in the magic circle, make 12 double crochets. Once you're done, pull this yarn in to close the loop and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. This is the first double crochet. Next on, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. So at the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. Slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Now the next round, start with chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This chain 3, it will be counted as 1 double crochet, and this chain 1, it will be counted as 1 chain 1. Now 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this chain 3. This is 1, 2, 3, this stitch. Next round, start with chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. Now 2 double crochet in the chain space. Repeat this all around. 1 front post double crochet in this double crochet and 2 double crochets in the chain space. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first front post double crochet which you made. Next round, start with chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now skip this 1 and to this 2 stitches and 1 single crochet on this third stitch. Now repeat this all around. Chain 3 and 1 single crochet on this stitch. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space, and while making the slip stitch, change to this other color and cut off this yarn and secure this yarn over here. Now chain 1, this won't be counted as a stitch, and 3 single crochet in this chain space. And take this yarn along with the working yarn. Now repeat this all around. 3 single crochet in each and every chain space. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch and 1 single crochet in each and every stitch around. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now 2 double crochets in the same stitch chain 2, skip 1 and 2, and in the next stitch you will make 2 double crochets. And chain 2, 1, 2, skip the stitches, 2 double crochets. Now repeat this all around. Chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2, and in the next stitch you will make 2 double crochets, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 1 single crochet in this chain space, and 1 single crochet in the next 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Now repeat this all around. Chain 5, 1 single crochet in this chain space, and 1 single crochet in the next 2 double crochet. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.